Tunas! Yay! Ano to? Si Biglang na mag-explain.
Hi guys!
Ayan.
Welcome to our vlog! First
Ano
day in
yung-
Indonesia.
Today's
Today's
food.
Food, we eat omelette with rice, fried rice.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Ayan. Potato tornado.
Tell me about this area.
This is the Tanahot Temple.
Okay.
So the Tanahot Temple, that's the the temple on the beach.
Okay.
Usually in this area, it's nice to see the sunset.
Oh.
Medyo, what time is it? Tanghaling tapat. Sobrang init. Hindi kami sanay. Nasa initan lang, sa arawan. Ito yung temple, di nyo pa makita. Pero yun yung daan. Mababa dun sa Tanalat Temple. Dun yung parang nasa beach siya. Sabi niya, may cave daw doon. Tawag nila holy water yung sa loob. Kasi mapasok yung ocean, yung salt water, pero pure water siya, wala siyang salt. Wala siyang salt. Pero salt water.
Okay.
Pumapasok pero hindi mo daw lasa yung salt
See the
water.
temple from there.
So ngayon, papunta kami sa mismong harap ng temple. Hindi pa low tide, so wala pang daan papunta dun sa pa-close dun sa temple para makalapit kami. High tide pa, so inaalon pa yung daan. So for today, we're probably not gonna be able to get close to the temple, pero at least may view. Ito na, lapit na kami. Ito yung mas malapit na view. Kanina, nandun kami sa tapat para lang magka-picture ng view of that temple. Yan yun. So, as you can see, nakita nyo yung cave doon. Nandyan daw yung holy water. Most of the time, yung tourist daw is pumipila dyan para mag-swim. Swim sa holy waters. Kaya pumapasok sila dyan para daw mabigyan sila ng blessing. Kahit din daw locals pumupunta dyan para mabigyan ng blessing just to touch the holy water sa cave. Ito yung cave ulit. Ayan. Yan. Ito yung whole view. Ayan. Cambodia.
Cambodia. Wow! Ang gagaling! May nalulunod na doon! Oo po! Hindi ko nakuha! May nalulunod.
So, Dito na kami ngayon sa ATV tour. Ano siya, parang temple run. So, dadaan ka sa mga temples, sa Rice Terrace, tsaka yung mga statue nila na may unggoy na nakanganga. I'm sure makikita nyo yun. Tapos included na dito yung food. For tandem is 1.7 M ang tandem. Ang single is 1.1 ang single ride. Pag tandem is dalawan kayo doon, including yung second person, including din yung pagkain. We're just waiting. Pabalik na yung mga unang round ng ATV. Tayo lang namin yun, and then we're going, I think around 15 minutes daw. Asay na kami. Ito.
Hello. Pahigaya.
Baha, oh. Baha. Yes.
Go, 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 go! Ready, go! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Post ATV.
So we'll try that. You're with your brothers. Your Indonesian brother.
In Indonesia, saudara.
Saudara, what?
Saudara, brother.
Ah, saudara. In the Philippines, it's kuya.
Yes,
Kuya.
This is ate.
Yeah. Let me see. Say hi to my vlog. Yay! Wow! Wow! Wow, sarap. Ulo. 90 steps down. Very nice. Sinusundan nila ako. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, there's another one here. Tilapia? Bangus? Wow. Wow. Then they have the mini store here.
So, di na kami nakakapag-update kasi sunod-sunod yung ginawa namin. Una is ATV and then so, ATV and then the swing.
Hello, Petano.
Ulupitano Waterfall. 30K 30K rupiah per person. And then we got in for free at the Rides Terraces because there's an event na ganap. Kaya libre siya. Wala masyadong tao. Hindi season. Ayun yung view. And then yung swing is including the dress na. But magkano ngayon? 375,000 rupiah per person including the dress. Tapos pag mag-add ka ng photo, it's another 150k ata yun. At saka if you wanna wear the traditional Balinese outfit, it's an extra 200k. Kaya medyo mahal. So, kinuha lang namin yung regular package. Kasama naman lahat ng photo spots. So, not bad. You can get good photos. Right there. That's nice. Guys, if you wanna book Kuya Tunas, we'll post his Facebook down below. You can do customized tours. He has lots of options. He can go anywhere you want in Bali. There.
Our god here, we call the Pratima.
Fatima.
Yeah. Pratima is the symbol of our god that is like Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva.
Yeah.
Outside
Mm.
and inside.
Yeah.
So they make it the statue look like a bit scary, yeah.
Mm.
Inside they make it the statue a bit handsome. So they make
yeah.
it the temple is more secret, more
Yeah.
private. So because Bali they already mixed the tradition with the Chinese, so all they
Yeah.
make it with the Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah.